what you want to do is head over to medium.com and sign up. Medium is a site that pays you to write articles. If someone reads your article, you get royalties. Next, head to ChatGPT and ask it to write an article for you similar to this, in simple English. That's the topic. Copy your article. Next, what you want to do is head over to plagiarismdetector.net. Paste your article here. Check for plagiarism. After the check is done, it will give you a score here based on the uniqueness. Get back to Medium, submit your article, review it, add some affiliate links in there for some extra passive income.